The things a debt-free journey and a quarantine will make you do. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel where I share our family's debt-free journey and some frugal living tips along the way. Today I'm gonna do something just a tiny bit crazy and extremely frugal, and I decided I'm gonna cut my own hair. I've never done this before. Maybe I'm just going a little bit quarantine crazy or something, but I've been needing to cut my hair for several months. Aside from the fact that everything is closed right now and you can't even go get a haircut if you wanted to, that my husband and I allot each other about $100 a month for fun money, and we use that fun money if we need to get a haircut or any personal expenses like that. And every month I'm like, I don't really feel like spending $60, $65 on a haircut out of my fun money, because then it'll be like all gone right at the first of the month, and I always want to keep it aside just in case anything comes up. So I watched a YouTube tutorial, which I will link below in the description, on how to cut your own hair at home, and I decided I'm just gonna give it a shot. If it goes bad, I guess I'll just wear it in a ponytail for the next few months. In the YouTube tutorial that I watched, she did not wet her hair, but I'm just gonna spray my hair down a little bit. And then she said to just kind of brush everything out really good. And she said to part it at your part. So I always part my hair to the side like this. I don't know, I've seen some videos that say to part it down the middle, but I don't know. So I watched a bunch of different ones, but I'm gonna do this one. And then you put your hair in like little pigtails on each side. And I have these little elastics. And she says to put it into low pigtails. This is not the cutting pigtail or the cutting rubber band. So we'll do the two low pigtails, and then just to do like two low tight pigtails, and then you'll put where you want to cut, you'll put another rubber band. So I'm gonna leave more room than I am thinking. I kind of want like to go here, but I'm gonna leave a little more room in case I mess up really bad, which is possible, very possible, very likely. So let's see. And then you want to make sure that both sides are as even as possible. I'm scared already. I'm scared. Okay. Okay. So I think it's pretty even. I'm just so nervous. Okay. She said to go on top of the rubber band. I'm thinking about going below it. I don't know why. All right, I better look in the real mirror and not the phone. I'm just gonna go on top. Let's do it. Oh gosh. Okay, going down. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm gonna pass. One is done. All right. Let's do the other one. All right. Oh God, did I go above or below? I don't remember now. Oh, I went above. Okay. Panicking. Okay, let's see. The things a debt-free journey and a quarantine will make you do. I'm getting crazy. Getting crazy, y'all. All right. Yay! I feel fresher already. I'm a little nervous, but okay. So let's see how it looks. So I've looked worse. My hair's had worse days than this. I kind of like it. And so I put like a little bit of curl in it. So then in the tutorial, she like brings it to the front and just evens up the jagged edges in layers. So let's do that. Have you ever cut your own hair? If you have, let me know in the comments below how it went. I would love to know. Bring it to the front, like split it again and bring it to the front and then angle up slightly so it'll be more straight in the back. I'm scared to do anymore because I kind of like how it looks already and it's jagged, but we're gonna do a little bit. I'm shaking, in case you can't tell. Oh, I'm scared. So you can like do this thing. Like, is this part from back here? I don't know, I'm scared. I don't know. Okay, let's see. I kind of don't want to do much more, I'm scared. I mean, I like hardly ever super straighten my hair. I usually curl it or just like let it air dry right now with kids. Oh god, I think I'm messing it up. I don't think I should do like very much more. I don't know if I should be doing that. Oh my god. I don't know. I kind of like it, and for $0 I will take it, especially right now when the budget is extra cut because of small business struggles right now. So I am gonna take it, and I will wash it and dry it and everything and probably just touch it up and let you guys know how it goes. Here I'm just showing you guys how I usually curl my hair. So I just curl it away from my face with just a regular curling iron, but I use the barrel. I don't put my hair in it. And then I hold it against my head for about 10 seconds until it kind of cools, just because that helps to hold the curl a little better because my hair does not really hold curl very well. And then I do my whole head, but I got really lazy here, so I just did the front. But then once it's cooled, then I brush it out with my fingers so that it's more like a beach wave. So there you have it, my completed DIY haircut at home. An easy way to save $50 to $100 depending on where you usually get your haircut. And I'm happy with the way it turned out. I don't think it turned out too bad. Of course, I'm not a hair professional, so I'm sure if you are a hair professional and you're watching this, you're like, oh, sweet baby Jesus, please don't do that to your hair. But I'm happy with it for now. Any way to cut expenses to help along our debt-free journey. And speaking of debt-free journey, make sure that you hit the subscribe button because next week I'll be back with our debt-free journey progress for March and the things that we're doing with our budget in response to all the quarantine, isolation, and such a huge decrease in our business income in the next coming months. So I can't wait to share with you guys, give you guys a little bit of hope and a little bit of encouragement to get you through this tough time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.